Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. And I have this little video to just show us how to make immune booster, because there's so much flu, cold and everything going around right now, and I've done this and it has worked for me and my family, so I decided to share it with you guys. So we have lemons, ginger and garlic. I chopped it up and I put it inside a pot to boil on the hob. This particular measurement, I used 1 liter of water in this juice. So just watch and see. So I let it boil for about 5 minutes and I checked it and it was a boiling point, but I still wasn't really satisfied yet. So I covered it back and I boiled it for another say about 5 minutes more. And after boiling for 5 minutes, it was really okay for me, and I just set it apart to cool down. And after cooling down, I poured it inside a plastic bottle. So guys, I urge all of us to try this out. Even if this doesn't work for you, it will definitely not kill you anyway. So I'm gonna just give it a try and boost your immune system against this deadly virus, like I have been doing, and it has actually been working for me, truthfully. It doesn't really have the best of taste, so I decided to add some honey inside it. Just a bit of honey to just give it a bit of a good taste. Even my toddlers love this drink and I'm very happy about that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much, and guys, please stay safe out there. I love you all. I pray we all overcome this virus soon and we're able to go out of our houses and just go on with our regular life. So stay safe anyway. Stay safe. Love you. Bye.